Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI P9 Lite, and I'll show you how to enable one-handed mode on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap here to Smart Assistant. Now just scroll a little bit down, tap here on one-handed mode and here click to mini screen view. Now just to enable the one-handed mode, click once on the switcher, and then here just to use the one-handed mode on your device, you should slide with your finger across the navigation buttons. If you wanna use your device or in your right hand, I'll show you. You should click here, just slide with your finger your navigation bar to the right side. But if you want to use your device with the left side, with the left hand, you should slide with your finger here to the left side, and then just to go back, slide again here to the right side with your finger. And then if you want to just turn off the one-handed mode, click here once again on the switcher, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.